Mr. President, with thanks to my distinguished colleague from New Jersey for allowing me to go first, because I have one of our foreign countries' ambassadors in my office. Today in the Senate, we have an opportunity to both alleviate a judicial emergency and make history by supporting the confirmation of Zahid Quraishi to the U.S. District Court of New Jersey, where he currently serves as a U.S. magistrate judge. As I've mentioned many times in the past, the vacancies on this court have been declared judicial emergencies by the Judicial Conference of the United States. The U.S. District of New Jersey is one of the busiest courts in the entire country, with 46,000 cases pending before it. Yet being short-staffed has left our judges with mind-boggling caseloads more than 3 times the national average. Fortunately, we in the Senate have an extraordinary nominee before us this week. Judge Quraishi has devoted his career to serving our country, and his story embodies both the rich diversity of New Jersey and the promise of America as a place where anything is possible. He was born in New York, grew up in Fanwood, New Jersey, with his parents, both immigrants from Pakistan, who came to this country to build a better life. In 1997, he graduated from the D-N.J. College of Criminal Justice in New York, and in 2000, earned his J.D. from Rutgers Law School, my alma mater. After a clerkship with the New Jersey Superior Court, Mr. Quraishi accepted a position with a New York law firm. His first day on the job was September 11th, 2001, and the horrific events of that day prompted him to change the trajectory of his career and focus on serving our country. In 2003, he joined the U.S. Army Judge Advocate General Corps, where he earned the rank of captain and served 2 deployments in Iraq, first in 2004 and then 2006. For his service, Mr. Quraishi was awarded the Bronze Star and the Combat Action Badge, a recognition by the U.S. Army for non-infantry soldiers who engaged in ground combat. After leaving the Army, he continued to work in public service, first as a trial counsel with the Department of Homeland Security, and then as a federal prosecutor in the U.S. Attorney's Office for the District of New Jersey. In 2013, he joined the law firm of Riker Danzig, where he worked until 2019, when he was appointed a U.S. magistrate judge for the U.S. District Court and became the first Asian American federal judge in New Jersey history. Now, Mr. Quraishi is poised to break barriers once more. If confirmed, he will become the first Muslim American in U.S. history to serve as an Article III federal judge. My colleague Zahid Quraishi is a man of integrity, a consummate public servant, a trailblazer for Asian Americans and Muslim Americans across this country who dream of one day presiding over a court of their own. We should all draw inspiration from his story, because it is a story that could only take place in the United States of America. I urge my colleagues to support this historic nomination to the U.S. District Court of New Jersey without delay, and I want to thank my distinguished colleague from New Jersey, Senator Booker, for bringing Judge Quraishi's nomination to the President, to myself, and it is an example of the power of having someone sitting on the Judiciary Committee knowing the importance of diversity, so that any American who comes before a federal court can think that someone like them is sitting in judgment of them. So thank you, Senator Booker. With that, I yield the floor.